What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Francessmichelle here. If you're here for the first time, I have to say welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. And today's video is a haul. I bought a couple of items from Colourpop and I said, why not show you guys and as well swatch some of the items. Some of these items are brand new in their site, so I'm like super excited to be able to get my hands on them and show you guys. I did record this video like a week ago when I received the things, and my camera wasn't working. The footage did not look right for me to upload. My producer was like, girl, you need to record this video again because you are not going to put this video on YouTube. So here I am recording the video one more time, and I threw away the box. Like, I threw away the Colourpop box. So please excuse that I don't have a Colourpop box to show you guys. But all the items that I purchased, all of them are here with me and I need to show you guys. So if you're new to my channel, I'm going to ask you to please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's Francess2s.Michelle. That's where you find your girl. That's where she be at. Most of the time, I try to be active on Instagram, but when you have kids, life, husband, just doesn't work out very well. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. That's what we're here for. I mean, I'm excited. I'm ready to see what I got. Kind of forgot what I got. Just kidding. Let's go ahead and keep on watching. Guys, I have an obsession with orange Fanta. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you everything that I got. I'm going to start with the palettes, and then I move on to Swatch Party. So we're going to swatch. So I'm going to show you really quick. I got 4 palettes, guys, because they were having a 30% Memorial Day weekend sale, and I was like, yay! Of course I'm going to get a couple of things, so I bought a few items. So let's go ahead and start with the first one that is just the main reason why all this haul started. It's the Proceed with Caution palette by Shayla. So this is the Proceed with Caution palette by Shayla, and I just needed to get it because honestly speaking, guys, the colors are right up my alley and it was screaming my name. Like, it was screaming my name, guys. Look at those colors. Look at that yellow. Oh my god, guys, this palette is legit an awesome palette. I love how huge this mirror is to put makeup on, but these colors are like right up my alley. They're just in warm tones. We've got some shimmer metallic shades, and then we have some matte shades, and I'm just obsessed with this palette, guys. Like, I'm legit super excited that I got my hand on her palette. For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. Next one I picked up is also a recent new one from them. It's called It's My Pleasure, and I kind of want to do more looks outside my comfort zone, which are warm neutrals, and I want to do more vivid colors, and this one was just so pretty. Look at these purples. Look at these purple tones. Oh my god, look at this purple right here. We are going to do swatch parties. So we're going to go ahead and swatch this one because this one is bomb.com. Look at how beautiful this one is. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweet. Alright, Alright, so moving on. The next one that I picked up is their brand new baby. It's their Blue Moon. And I just thought it was great. I don't have any shadows that have blue tone shadows on them. I don't have any palette that have blue tone shadows. That's how I'm supposed to say. And of course the way they're doing their palettes are like I'm loving because they're just super. Look at those blues. Look at this freaking blue right here. Oh my god, like I am so obsessed with this one right now. It's like not even funny. Okay, so ready? Let's go ahead and swatch.
You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Palette that I bought from them, and it's not new. I've been behind this palette for the longest, and it always sold out. Like I'm like why me? So I bought it in a bundle, and it's supposed to have another lipstick. I'm trying to probably get a hold of Colourpop because I saw it in the website. It comes with 2 lipsticks and they only gave me 1. So the bundle is called Sweet Talk, and it comes with the palette and then 2 lipsticks. I've never tried the lipstick formula, but I was like, it was the only way I was able to buy this palette. Oh my god, guys, this palette is just screams my name. Look how beautiful the palette is. So beautiful with the roses and the flowers and whatnot, but look at these colors though. OMG, guys, look at that foil. Look at this foil color, and then it's just so buttery smooth. Look at that. Oh my god, like guys, I'm seriously like obsessed with this palette, and I'm not gonna lie, I already used her. I used these 3 shades. Wait, I used these 3 shades. Yeah, I use these 3 shades right here, like connect 4. I used those 3 shades, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm living for how pigmented this baby is. Like I'm like, oh.
To hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You'll see. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
The lipstick is called Spring Roll. It's a beautiful shade. Let me swatch this one out for you. Super buttery, actually, guys. Super buttery. I think it's like a semi matte mauve pink. It's more like a mauve. It's more like a, I don't know how to explain it. It looks mauve pink on the screen, but it's not. It's like a nice corally shade, like a corally shade with a little bit of pink undertone. I absolutely love the shade, and it's super velvety and pigmented. The only thing is that I do not like wearing things that do not last all day because I don't have time to be retouching. So that's beautiful. Then the next thing I picked out are 2 of their ultra matte lippies because I'm obsessed with their liquid lipsticks. They're super good. I picked out 2 shades. I picked out Bugaboo. Oh, look how beautiful. It's a nice orange shade. I am lately living for any bright shades. Oh my god, my swatches are bad, guys. You'll see. But like an orangey red. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm living for this shade. I totally forgot about it. And then the last one is that the next one I got is Sunny Side. This one, of course, is a nude shade. And I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. This is the new shade that I'm wearing. It's called a Bugaboo. I'm sorry, this one's called Sunny Side. The other one's called Bugaboo. So anyways, these are the two lip shades I picked out. Then I picked out 5 of their cream gel liners because I want to do different looks and I want to create different pops of colors for you guys here on my channel. So I picked up 5 of their cream gel liners, and I'm going to show you the colors that I picked out because I have them right out here. These are the shades I picked out, guys. Look how beautiful these shades are. We have bright, they're all neon. I picked their neon collection. So we have neon bright colors. We have a green, we have an orange, we have a yellow, we have a hot pink, a bright neon pink, I'm sorry, and then we have a white. I'm actually wearing the white on my waterline right now. That is the reason why I decided to pick up their white ones, because I love the waterline being used with the white liner. It kind of pops the colors. So I was just like, this is great. So I'm going to see what type of looks I can create with these because these are dope. Let's go ahead and swatch some out so you guys can actually see how like amazing these colors are. Like they are super, super, super awesome. There's your green. Oh, that's very intense. Look at that green. Ah, isn't that nice? Let's do the white. And they're super, super buttery, guys. Like, they remind me of the Urban Decay Glide On pencils. That's what they remind me of because they're super, super buttery, smooth. Look at that orange. Oh, that's so pretty. The orange looks more corally, to be honest. That pink is nice. Look at the pink, guys. Oh. I'm going to switch it with the top view so you guys can see it better because you guys are not seeing it very well on these lights. But these are the colors. They're super, 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 super nice, guys. Oh, where are you guys at? They're super nice, guys. Like, those colors are super cute. I'm going to see how I, like, go about it because I don't have no idea how I'm going to use these neon colors because I've never done bright colors like this. So yeah, guys, this is all that I picked up. I just picked up a few of their palettes, their best-selling palettes. Of course, I needed to pick their new palette. But yeah, guys, this is everything that I picked out. I kind of wanted to give you like an overview. We had a swatch party. You guys saw that we swatched every single one of these palettes and the lipsticks and the liners and all that. So now, tell me in the comments below which of these palettes, these 4 palettes that I have here, y'all like to see the next video. Like a next makeup look. Would you guys want to see the Blue Moon? Would you guys want to see Shayla, Makeup by Shayla? The Sweet Talk palette, which is sweet talking to me. Or would you guys like to see It's My Pleasure, some plummy purple shades? Let me know in the comment section down below because I'm ready to dive in and start playing with these freaking foundations and foundations with these palettes, and as well as playing with these liners. Let me know what I can create with these liners because I am way over my head when I purchased them. But I said that this year I was actually going to step out of my comfort zone. Alright guys, so that's it. There you have it. This is my mini Colourpop haul. This is all I got from Colourpop. I love Colourpop. I feel like Colourpop has never let me down other than when I tried their foundation. For me, it was a no-go. But other than that, all their lipsticks, all their liners, all their shadows that I have, their bronzers, their highlight, their shocking shadows have been a legit one of the cheapest products I bought, but with an amazing quality, guys. So if y'all haven't bought anything from Colourpop, you're probably living under a rock because Colourpop is popping. Colourpop is popping. Colourpop is popping. Colourpop better pick me up and work with me. Not because of free product, just because I love working with companies that I truly, truly stand by 100%. And it's more like an accomplishment. Like, yeah, I get to work with this awesome company. So yeah, guys, hopefully in the near future, your girl will be sponsored by Colourpop and I can bring you guys more Colourpop content. But yeah, just let me know in the bottom section, description down below, which of these palettes you guys want to see in action, and I will deliver. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet to subscribe to my channel, now's your turn. Now's your chance to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And of course, follow me on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you guys for sticking to the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. Muchos besos. I'll see you ladies on my following video. Adios.